So now everyone, here I come to check this gate sensor not working. I will see now why the sensor is not working. This is the push button here. So I'll operate the gate from here. The gate is opening. Okay. But while opening the sensor not working, while closing, sorry. I'll stop. The gate is stopped now. And I will close and I'll pass by and check. See, I am here, but it's not stopping. So there is something wrong in the sensor. Now I will check. I removed the screws already from here. I'm removing the cover. The cover is removed, and now I will check what is the issue. Okay, the issue is that this jumper is short. It's not supposed to be here. This jumper is from 9 and 10. So I will cut this wire now, and after we check, I'm going to cut this wire. Okay, so wire is cut, and now I will try again. I'm opening the gate. The gate is open. Okay, and little bit open, and then I will check. Okay, I will stop the gate now. The gate is stopped. So I will start again from here to close the gate. Now you see, and I'm going to cut the sensor. See, the gate is going reverse. Okay, so the problem is solved. This jumper was there. That is the problem. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.